You can certainly see their wild boar ancestry, can't you, when they do that? Pairs today. 1, 2. It's here. Yeah, they're trying to bite them to bits. You can't. Yes, there's one there. And here's this rather strangely shaped bent one.
For whom? Which one?
There. I think that's one each. That one over there is chasing the other, trying to bite. See how they foam?
Yeah.
With the effort of keeping the mouth open. They can't keep it open because they need to bite it.
Don't share, do they?
No, they don't like to share.
Do they all get some?
I think so. And if not, then I'm sure there. We'll just drop a bit. You can have some. There.
Oh, we're just not in time. This is hopeless trying to see in this thing.
What is it?
It is.
There. Easy.
It's dirty. That's... Oh, you want more?
I've given you some. Oh, right.
I haven't got any more. Oh, the cat.
Oh, cat, yes.
I can't see it though.
Yes, you can.
I can't. The screen is just so dirty.
There it is. There's the cat.